Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, we use when we're cooking to flip hamburgers. Correct. Number two, do you study? Yeah, very good. This means with a lot of effort. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. I use a flipper when I cook. I use a flipper when I cook. Flipper. Flipper comes from the word to flip a hamburger. We also say to turn the hamburger over. Now we can make a flashcard for flipper. The old word for flipper is spatula. But now in modern English, a spatula is like this, with a soft edge. Please make a flashcard like this. Write flipper up here in the top left corner, FLIPPER. Down here, KIT1, this means kitchen, level 1. Over here, the number 18 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Flip. Flipper. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob studies hard every day. Bob studies hard every day. Hard. He concentrates well for a long time, and he doesn't take many breaks. Now we can make a flashcard for to study hard. Please make a flashcard like this. The basic form, to do something hard, to study hard, to work hard. Down here, ADV1, this means adverb, level 1. Over here, the number 16 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Hard. Work hard. Study hard. Game over. You did very well today. What do you use when you cook? A flipper. Very good. Do you study hard every day? Oh, did you today? Yes, I did. Correct. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 means a duplicate. A copy. Very good. Number 2, duvet. A thick blanket for sleeping. Number 3, to edit something. This is when you make changes to something you have written. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. It is rotating. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.